PEX. Is it worth replacing crimps with push connections? I happened upon a question about PEX tubing last week here, and in it there was some discussion about how push connections are superior. If someone can point me to that question, I'd appreciate it. I just tossed a contractor out of my house for various reasons and had a master plumber take a look at what was done so. He pointed to some issues with the drains that needs to be redone but didn't mention anything with the PEX supply lines. After reading that last week, I took a closer look at the supply lines and see that they are all crimped. Question. While things are open, should I go through the trouble of replacing the crimps with push connections? If so, should I replace the lines or can I use them? In other words, are the ends going to be compromised after the crimps are removed? As to the other question, can you re-crimp the end of a PEX tube? It doesn't address whether I should change an existing setup, and my question is not related to re-crimping at all. Question from user Jimmy James at Stack Exchange. Answer. God. No. I've had 2 leaks, out of literally tens of thousands crimp connections. Both leaks were installer error. One time my tool suddenly went out of calibration, which I could feel in the action and quickly remedied. The other time I crimped it way crooked and I returned the next day with my compound offset crimper, cut out the bad connection and recrimped. Push connections tend to leak if there is a lot of lateral tension applied to them. They are crazy expensive and inferior to crimp under certain circumstances. Answer from user Joe Falla at Stack Exchange. Com.